Okay, another time, another trade, and another explanation. So this time, we're gonna talk about the DYDX long position, and I'm gonna try to explain my logic as to why I took the trade. And it wasn't a perfect trade, I admit. Let's talk about what went wrong, what could have been better, and why I took the trade. So let me remove this, and let me remove the position itself too. We don't need to remove that. So yeah. Let's go back to the daily level to talk about the levels if we have any. So since the DYDX is a new token, we really don't have much data to work on. But like as you can see, this is pretty bullish price action, and also the project is really cool and it's really promising. But yeah, like for the chart wise, we don't have too many data to work on. We have these daily levels on the bottom, but they are too far away and not relevant to our current price. So what I do is I scroll down, zoom in a little bit to the 4 hour and look for the price action there. So this area and this area, these like it was a little small like a range here. And it really acts like a really good support as well when they broke it, but we really didn't know that when we got to the trade. So I had these levels, and when I took the trade, it was looking like, how was it looking like? I think it was looking like this. Yeah, okay. So and it was looking like this, and I saw that, and I scrolled down a little bit, like zoomed in a little bit. This wasn't here even, like I think it was even 2 hours before that. So how can I do that? Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, this was looking something like this, okay? So I took my entry. Oh, actually, I have a screenshot, right? Yeah, okay. So this was looking like this on the 4 hour. So like, and the reason I took the trade is, do you see these lows here? Like we have these lows and we have this good reaction here. Like we came to a level, like we always talk about, right? So we have an impulse up, we have a rejection, and we have another impulse up, fake out here, and then we just slowly kind of die. It's not actually die, but kind of slowly retrace to somewhere to find more buyers, right? And that level is the level we broke out on the 4 hour chart. So we found some strength. We got above that, like we bounced here, and then we came back to retest it. So now there is like one way to play this, and there's also another way to play this. So one way to play this is you would have seen this price action and put your limit here to get filled, hoping that you would catch a move here. I didn't see that. Like I wasn't watching the chart at that time, but like we didn't get the bounce from this level. So that's disappointing, right? But we're not getting rejected either. So we are kind of accumulating here. Like we are just spending some time here. And while that's the case, mostly what happens is you take the lows and then bounce before even going to another support. Like if the asset is really bullish, you could easily see something like this happening. Let me try to draw that. So yeah, we have this. Wait, I need it to be yellow and I need you to be gone. Okay, so we have this rejection and we have this small bounce, right? Why is this so thick? Remove that. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have this move, right? And then we would expect another bounce here, right? But this price action is not that, I mean, we didn't get it. Like, let's just put it that way. We didn't get that price action. But what usually happens is if you come here and if you don't bounce, also if you don't just go to another level or like just shoot through that support level, and if you're just spending some time there, what happens is you take the previous lows from here and then you just bounce them, because you will find much more liquidity there, because all the people, and the reason for this to work is so all the people who are entering long positions here, they are putting their stop losses here, right? And if you are entering to a position here, and if you are conservative, you're putting your stop loss somewhere here, right? So what this means is market makers can push the price down to take your stop losses, and then that would push the price a little bit more down, and then they can take their position, and then you can see a move up. So that's what I was thinking, right? So I thought, hey, this looks fine, and I think we are getting the lows. We removed the lows here and here, like everywhere else closely. So I entered to a position at this level. So my entry was 2020 29.5. Let me double check it. Yeah, okay. It was that one. So, and I was expecting it to be, go up, but that didn't happen. And I knew that this level would work. Like if this doesn't hold, and if my theory is, incorrect, my position could like for my this position could just do something like this, which is kind of like what happened, right? And it was really expected. And if even if that didn't happen, I mean, that would be really bearish. And the considering the current market's sentiment, like we are ultra bullish right now, right? Every coin in the market is bullish, and Bitcoin is super bullish, like everything is bullish. So what happened is like exactly what that happened. So what I did is I went to sleep, but before I went to sleep, I put some limit orders here to DCA, which I don't normally do. Like I don't do that very often. I don't like dollar cost average in my positions, but when the position is like this, like if I know that there are two levels close to each other, and I could see that the level in the below holding the position, then I would put some limits order there just to get filled and average down. So my current position is 2020 60, no, not 69, 66. Yeah, I think it's 66. So that's my current position, and I'm in really good profits right now. Like we took the first profit, which is I think it was like 8% above the entry. Oh, it's even 10% above the entry. Wait, what? This is, oh, hold on. Let me check my Binance. I might be wrong on my entry. No, I'm not. No, yeah, it's around 10%. Oh yeah, what messed me up is like I think this is 7%. Yeah, so my initial TP was 7% from my initial entry. So yeah, like to wrap it up. I was expecting it to be hold before the level, but that didn't happen. But we didn't get stopped out. So, and I made fun of the people who panicked on this position because, like, look at this. If you zoom in, this looks really bad. Like, look at this. If you zoom into it, even to an 1 hour chart, and if you're seeing this, this looks bad, and your entry is not even here. It's here, right? And no, it's not. Yeah, so it's something like this, and you're looking, oh man, it's gonna hit the shit, and you're gonna stop out. What a shitty trader, what a shitty call, what a shitty trader, etc. But what you're missing is there is another buying opportunity here, and like when the things like this, like I always put my lines on the charts, and you would always see my charts with my trades. So when I share my trades, just see if there's another close level, and if there is, maybe put a limit order there, and especially if my stop loss is below that level. Like that's just simple logic. Like don't ever panic on any position ever. Like that can hit stop loss, and we should be fine, right? Yeah, okay. I don't want to make it too long. I hope I would be helpful. I'm not sure. Just let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one.